What's going on, everybody? We got 2 boxes of 2012 Supreme Football personals for Dr. Phil, and good luck. 3 of these the other night, didn't do too bad. Not as fat as you want it to be. That doesn't mean it's bad. Alright, so for Dr. Phil, good luck. First up, you have Steven Jackson base, numbered to 462. I believe all the base numbered to 462. Brady base. These base cards are selling pretty good right now too. I know the rookies are. Let's bring it. Darren Sproles, parallel numbered to 75. And for your hit from the first box, good luck. Dr. Phil, congrats. Looks like it's Andrew Luck night. Number 28 of 51. Not focusing. 28 of 51. Unbelievable. Good job on picking the boxes, man. Andrew Luck. Yeah, number 28 of 51, kind of a random number there. First box. Nice pick, Dr. Phil. It's all good. I know, right, Adam? Alright, this is your second box. This stack on the right, the ones that I had lined up differently, those came from the local shop. And the 4 on, I don't remember which stack we pulled from, the middle. So the middle came from the local shop. And the luck box was either 4 or 6. So if it was 4, that was actually a separate batch. If it was 6, it's the same batch. Oh, did you? Nice. Got some good luck with Supreme. Alright, Dr. Phil, box number 2. Good luck to you. Got Osweiler, base rookie, numbered to 462. Aikman, numbered to 462. Roddy, parallel numbered to 96. And for your next hit, good luck to you. Wow. Oh my God, man. Wow. Thank random.org for that. Not focusing, but you see what it says. HAKEEM NICKS. Reebok logo, 101, to go with your Andrew Luck. Dr. Phil, man, wow, you're killing it on these individuals. Congrats. Wow. Nice. I'll stop this recording.